So today I'm going to teach you how to create Gmails without any phone numbers. And why is it so important is because if you want to do YouTube, like for example, if you want to do YouTube, you actually need to meet these requirements. Sometimes if you need certain subscribers, you need some Gmail to actually subscribe your own channel. So in order to do that, you can actually create your own Gmail, subscribe to your own channel. In addition, whatever you use the Gmail that you actually created and actually run the watch time, it actually will come toward the watch time as well too. So it actually will help yourself if you are actually just missing a couple of subscribers. This way it actually will help you, but don't do too much because it might trigger warnings or whatever YouTube want you to know, and then they will give you a strike. Okay, so make sure that don't do it too much. Do once a day or twice a day, or once a day or once in 2 days, in order to not to get Google to recognize what you're actually doing. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to do this. In order to create a Gmail, the easiest way is actually go on to YouTube. Okay, once you go on to YouTube, you can actually just create by switch account. Okay, once you go to switch account, you can actually press the plus button. When you press the plus button, so I'm not sure why this doesn't work for some people. Maybe it's American phone, maybe some of the phone, but most of the phone that I use, even iPhone, it works really well. So you create an account and then personal use. Once you create a personal use, you can actually type in whatever the name you want. Press next. In here, birthday is very important. You go to the September 20th, make sure it's 2009. Okay, make sure it's 2009. Gender doesn't matter. Okay, password doesn't matter, whatever. Okay, even the password I don't care because whatever. Okay, now you can see it actually create a Gmail without even asking my phone number. Okay, agree. Now you can see, okay, I already create a Gmail. Now let's just say I want to actually subscribe my own channel. Okay, let's just say this is the channel that I've been doing vlogging, not a lot of things happening. Okay, I'm going to show you this. Okay, 2006. Now I'm going to use this channel and search this channel. Okay, so I'm going to type exactly Calvin L Productions, and I'm going to press subscribe and then press all. Okay, now you can see I already subscribed this channel, and if you can see, if I scroll down, it's already 2007. Now if I play any type of video, it will actually help me to gain views on this one as well too. Okay, so this is right now is doing pretty good. Okay, 229 views. As you can see, 229 views. Okay, and right here you can see it will gain views at the end. Okay, right at the end you will see it will gain views. Okay, in the future. Okay, so that way it will actually help you to gain subscribers, help you to reach your goal. Okay, so make sure that if you can do it. If you cannot do it, I don't know why. A lot of people cannot do it, I don't know why. But if you go on same thing, go on iPhone, go on YouTube, right? You go on add account. Okay, continue. Same thing, right? They ask you the same type of method as Android. Now you go to personal use, same name, whatever. They don't really care what name you're using. And then the month, you got to understand the month is like super important, 2009. And then press next. I don't prefer. Now I select whatever the Gmail they ask me to do. Password, I don't care. Save. And now you can see it doesn't allow me it didn't even ask me for any phone numbers. See that? It doesn't even allow me to do anything. So now, let's just say I want to follow my own channel as well. If you do it like little bit by little bit, okay? So now you can see, press subscribe, press the bell button, okay? Now let's look at how much subscribers I have now for myself, okay? 2008, okay? And now when I play this phone, it will help me to generate income as well too, because it's already getting paid. So this is one of my smaller channel. I have 2 channels and plus this 3 channels combined, which is a lot of money, okay? But this is my smaller channel, which I'm going to be doing a lot, blogging and things like that, okay? So now when you run videos like this, it will help your watch time. I can guarantee you it will help you for your watch time, all right? I hope this video will help you. Subscribe my channel and share this video. And this is very useful if you want to create a new Gmail to help you to gain views on your YouTube, all right? So subscribe and see you next time. Bye-bye. Peace out.